We would recommend Shells Only every time. Shells Only has proven themselves to be the type of organization that you want to do business with. We first started working with Shells Only back in 2004 when we added an addition to our house, and Shells did a phenomenal job. They came in on budget, on time. The project manager did a great job for us. We were really pleased. Then after about 14 years, we wanted to renovate our kitchen. So we decided to modernize to an old open floor plan at that point. We had a great project manager the first time. Well, we had a better project manager the second time. So we dealt with Jessica, and she was here on spot, on time, very courteous, really helpful. Couldn't be more pleased with the outcomes that she helped us to achieve in the house. It's very rare in this day and age to find an organization that will come to you, will sit down, give you the facts of what you need to get done, give you a whole project plan, and make sure that they meet their budget and time constraints that they've allocated for your job. That's really unique in this day and age. You hear all these horror stories with contractors. You can't find them. They start a job, they go over budget, they have workers come in that you don't know if you can trust them to that degree. This is your home. And when you find an organization like Shells Only that really delivers and commits to their promises and maintains those promises, those are the ones you recommend. The only thing I would say is that you're dealing with Dennis, you're dealing with his daughter, you're dealing with Jessica, you're dealing with a team of people that truly love what they do. And you meet with them, and you know that they're juggling many other customers at any given point in time, but you feel like you are their center of attention. That makes a difference. And when you deal with an organization like Shells, with what Dennis has put together and what he's built with his family, you have the confidence that they're going to get the job done for you, and you don't have any second guesses from that standpoint. So thank you, Shells, for a great job for us. My name is Kevin Mergruen, and I would recommend Shells Only without any doubt in mind at all.